Welcome, today in front of me Vivo X80 Pro, and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, we should open first the notification panel on our device, and after that, somewhere here you should find the scan QR codes icon. In my case, it's here. Just first tap once on this icon, and after that, let's tap here to search with our camera. Now we should place our QR code here into this frame. So let's do that. Wait a second. Now we can see here that this is the Wikipedia link. Just click here once on this link and we will directly activate launch this article. For example, this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.